Hail to Zorp, everybody. As always, you can call me Zorp, and in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to do this. Pretty cool, right? I might start using it, but yeah. It's going to be a quick, in-depth kind of tutorial. I'll take you through all the steps. It'll be super easy and fun. Okay, guys, so first what you're going to want to do is click the first link in the description. It should take you to this site, VROIDSTUDIO. And then, obviously, you're just going to go right down here and click the download button. And it pulls you down here, and then you get to choose how to download. I personally have Windows, so you would click the Windows installer. I'm not going to do it, but yeah, and then it should, pop right down and load. And then if you go and check your files, and probably downloads, it should be right there, VROIDStudio. And yeah, you just double click on that, and it should open it right up for you. Okay, once it opens, you're probably going to see this screen. You may see a different one, but you're going to want to get to here. And then you can either choose one of these avatars or make your own. And I bet you probably want to make your own. So you're going to go ahead and click New Avatar. Choose your gender. Let's go boy. And bam, here we are. This will be our avatar that we get to edit and change how we want. You right click to kind of move him around so you can see all the different angles. There we go. And up here, we have all the different tabs. So face, hair, body, clothing, general, and then camera / explore. But we don't really need this right now. Now, let's just say for hair, you want to do hair. I figured I might as well do this. You get to see this. Up here is what the hair will look like. And here's obviously all the colors. So I could change it to, say, purple. A nice dark purple-ish. And then you just kind of click and drag to start doing hair. So, whoosh. There you go. You get to do it however you want. You get to pull it in any direction from anywhere on this grid pattern. You can even give your guy a nice beard. Nice mustachua. A really weird looking mustache. And a beard. Well, never mind. Doesn't look like the beard works. But you can actually edit this thing however you want using this, or not this, but you just mess around, yeah, with this. And then you can click and drag, and then bam, now it's like a really long Hitler mustache. And, you can pull up the dots, so if I take this and pull it up, the hair goes up, very strange and neat-like. If you want to, you can do that. Oh, yo, what the... And there we go. We have our hair. Looks very nice. You can always go to texture, and then you can change all the hair. So let's say I don't want it blue anymore, and I want it white. Well, there we go. Now we have a white, blue, green, black hair. Obviously, the base color is what all of the hair will have in it. The shade is kind of like how it shades. So, it's the shadowing, kind of. It will get darker. The darker parts will get bluer. And green is the highlight, so let's change this back to like yellow. And then change the highlight to, say, light blue. And light blue plus yellow is green, and you can see the little green there, and that's the highlights in the hair. And, you can only have these all the same color, and then you'll just have a pure yellow hair. I'm not going to make them all the same color, but yeah, there you go. You can do that. Oh my god, this guy looks weird. With the body, you got sliders, so you can make him shorter, taller. You can make his leg length longer, his neck shorter. There you go. This short little mixed root here. Here we go. He's a tiny man now. And anyway, clothing, obviously, you change the clothing, so you can change it to uniform vest with long sleeve, or, whatever you want. You can have them wearing whatever, a mini shirt, whatever you want to look like that. General editor, it's kind of where you just do, more general stuff. So their width for the outline, shading, you can make the shade really wide and stuff. I don't know. I don't really mess with these. Spring bone. I don't know. I just generally don't touch these. So. But anyway, once you've made your avatar, head over to camera / exporter, and this is where you can test different things. So you can edit the smile, so you can see how it looks when they smile. This is how my guy would look when he smiles. like that, and you can see how they look when like they're angry. There we go. And then you can also change this. Look at camera. You turn it off, and your character will look in whatever direction the head is facing. And then if you turn it on, the eyes will always look towards the camera. And yeah, you know, you can test all the different expressions. You can even test. You can even like make them pose and stuff. So, bam, they stand to the side like that. It's so hard to see because he's short. You know, you can have them stand like they're fighting. You know, whatever. I, for one, though, I just say keep it on default or, you know, stand by 0. But, yeah. So you've got your character. And then once you're ready to export them, you press the export button. And then over here, the other export button. You don't need to fill out any of this information. You can just full on skip it if you want. I usually just give it a name because, you know, just like for organization. But then anyway, when you're done, you press OK. Processing. And then it should automatically change you to here. It would be empty, but to get here, you would go to this PC, Documents, VROID, Avatars, and then save it in here. And then you can name it whatever you want. I don't care. I'm not going to save because why would I? I don't want this. And then you're done with this, so you can exit it if you want. Quit. And then once you finish that, head over to the second link in the description, which should take you to VSEEFACE. And then you scroll on down, hit that big download button. And then it would download. I'm going to cancel though because I already have it. And then here's the thing, if you're on Windows like me, and it might be the same on other computers, but once you download VSeeFace, you're probably going to have it as this zip file. And in order to actually use it, you're going to have to head in, or, you know, you could do it out, but you're going to have to extract all, okay? So you're going to click that, and then once it's finished extracting all, you it'll, like, you know, be there again, and it might say something different. It doesn't matter, but anyway, once you have like the correct one, double click on it, you know, the extracted file. You'll double click on the one you extracted, and then it should open up something like this. Now for VSeeFace, instead of showing you this, it should show you a tutorial on how to put it into OBS and other streaming software like that, but that doesn't really matter, so you can skip over it. Once you get here, you should see this, minus these two avatars, and you'll click Add Avatar. Head over to, you know, this PC, Documents, VROID, Avatars, and then your avatars should have saved to here. Click on one of them. They'll open up. Click it. Your avatar. Click your avatar. And then, you know, change your camera to your webcam, and it has to be your webcam, or, you know, some kind of camera that's looking at you. And change the microphone if you want. It doesn't matter that much. You can always change it later. But yeah, you do that. Hit the start button. And if everything's working, your character should pop up here. And if you give it a little time and nothing goes wrong, you get to do this. There you go. There's our guy. If he's not moving, it should pop up an error sign and then give you a list of things like what's wrong. Like, for instance, if you're currently using the camera on another software, while opening up this, it won't work. If it doesn't say any of that and your character's just not moving, just go to Settings, General Settings, and then scroll around and you'll see this face tracking. If you turn it off, your character will just stand there and talk. And then if you turn it on, you know, he'll copy you. He'll move around and stuff. There we go. Ah, there we go. If you want, you can hit the expression settings, and, you know, this is how you make expressions, like, for instance, surprise, or anger, or, you know, all the other good stuff. My character looks weird when doing anything else besides those two, like smile. I mean, what the fuck is that? And anyway, yeah, that's that stuff. You can mess around with all this other stuff, too, if you want. I don't really care that much, but anyway, once this is all done, go to Settings, General Settings, and then you'll have to head down to Enable Virtual Camera for this session and click OK. And then if you want, you can change your background photo. Right now this is mine. And you'll have to you can just download any like PNG or something off the internet and set it as your background. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this step. And so anyway, once you've done that and you've done all the steps completely, and if you did them all successfully, Head over to whatever you want to use this on. Let's say, for instance, you wanted to use it on like Omegle, you know, which is what I kind of been using it on so far. You head in, and then it should take you, you know, it's Omegle. If there's not a camera button up here, like there isn't now, I'm just gonna click video, and then head out immediately. Ah, damn, I did it wrong. Hold on. Video, and then Omegle. Okay. And then bam, the camera button will appear up here, or while you're still in it. And you'll click it, go to manage, and then camera. And then you change, yeah, you'll want to change it to VSEEFACE camera. Alright? That is, you know, this thing. And make sure this is open too, while you're doing all this. Make sure this is open. And, you know, you head out back to Omegle. And if you did that, you go in and bam. And you can see the background. You know, that's the background I had uploaded. Let's get out of here. And yeah, it's pretty much the same thing for any other thing like Google Meet. You go in and you go to your camera settings and change the camera to VSeeFace. It doesn't work on everything though, so you might need to install some other software. Comment down below if you want me to show you how I use it. But yeah, that's pretty much what you have to do. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll answer them. I mean, I don't have any subscribers, so, you know, I'll be answering any and all questions. And yeah, good luck making your avatars.